Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pink and purple pastel look. It's nice and simple, it doesn't take very long at all. I created this look using my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and also my Morphe James Charles palette. You probably could do the look using just a Jawbreaker palette, but I really wanted to try use my James Charles palette a bit because I haven't really used it much lately. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting with my face makeup, my eyebrows done, and a white eyeshadow base on the eyelid. And what I've used for that is just my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this very light pink shade here, and I'm going to pop that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply this pretty much all over my eyelid, bring that out up into the crease, and just blend that out nicely. Okay, now I'm going to move over to my Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Bubblegum, and popping that on an all over shader brush, I'm going to apply this to the inner half of my eyelid, and I'm going to just bring that up into the crease a bit, and I'm just going to leave the outer half for another shade. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade here called Gumdrop and a domed crease brush, and I'm going to apply this to the outer half of the eye, and I'm going to bring it out in a bit of a winged shape, and I'm going to blend it into this pink. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out a bit, and I'm going to go back in with the purple just to make it more vibrant as well. Okay, so now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. So going in with these two brushes and the corresponding colors, I'm going to do the purple on the outer kind of third and blend that in with the pink as well. Now I'm going to add in a highlight shade to my inner corner tear duct area and my brow bone. So I'm going to go in with this shade here and using a tiny little eyeshadow brush. Okay, and for the highlight on the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Lime Crime Opals highlight, and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Pink, and I'm going to be applying that with this large fluffy highlighting brush. Alright, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a thin line of eyeliner on my eye. And to do that, I'm going to take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and like I said, it's just going to be a very thin line because I'm just going to use that to help my fake eyelashes blend in with my regular eyelash and my lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to be taking my NYX Vivid Brights cream color. This is in the shade Sugar Rush. And I'm just going to apply that with a small eyeliner brush. On my lips, I'm going to be applying my Tarte's lip paint, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. Okay, now the last thing left to do is to apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using are these lashes by XO Beauty. These are in the style Panther. They're a nice like cat eye kind of shape. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I really like this look. It's very effective, even though it's nice and simple. It literally takes like 20 minutes to do all up. It's nice and colorful as well, and I'm loving the pastel colors at the moment. The eyelashes really tie it together. It does look kind of basic and simple without it, so definitely need some fake eyelashes to go with this look. But yeah, don't really think I need to say too much. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.